Hey Nintendo fans! Metroid Prime 4 Beyond is still launching in 2025 despite delay rumors swirling. Is Samus Aran ready to blast onto Switch 2? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into this Metroid update. Nintendo shut down delay speculation, confirming Metroid Prime 4 Beyond hits this year, as stated in a Fan Expo Canada press release. With a playable demo alongside Hades 2 and Borderlands 4, is this the comeback fans have waited for since 2017? Keep watching. Announced in 2017, Metroid Prime 4 hit a snag when Nintendo rebooted development in 2019 for not meeting their standards. After a 2023 remaster of Metroid Prime 1 and Metroid Dread's success, last year's gameplay trailer confirmed a 2025 release, despite YouTuber Kiwi Talks claiming a Switch 2 launch delay and an unfinished game. Nintendo's sticking to 2025. Nintendo's March Switch 2 blowout reaffirmed the 2025 window, and a recent South Korean rating submission hints at a firm release date soon. At Fan Expo Canada, attendees can play Metroid Prime 4 with Eurogamer's Ed Nightingale praising its varied control capabilities on Switch 2. Fans are hyped, but some worry a 2026 push could still happen. Metroid Prime 4 Beyond is a big deal for Samus fans, promising next-gen action on Switch 2. Nintendo's confidence in the 2025 launch, despite rumors, shows their commitment to quality. With playable demos and ratings in progress, could this be the series' biggest moment yet? Get ready for a galactic adventure. Metroid Prime 4 Beyond is coming this year, fingers crossed. Check it out at Fan Expo Canada or wait for that release date to drop. Are you pumped for Samus' return or skeptical about some delays? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Metroid Prime 4's 2025 launch. Are you hyped for Switch 2 gameplay or bracing for a delay twist? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.